Does your team often lose track of their priorities, miss deadlines, or are unsure about their goals and responsibilities? This is normal. As the weeks go by, we tend to be pulled in all directions, and team members can lose track of what is important or may not have a good idea of what others are working on and how their work will impact other people. For that reason, our Priorities and Deliverables Whiteboard is a great tool that helps you meet on a monthly basis with the team to discuss priorities, capacity, and to also let team members understand what other team members are working on and how they can help. It's also a great way to keep track of what gets delivered and what does not. To use this tool, add a session, select the tool, and, as a manager, try to spend 15 minutes adding their main priorities here. Try to choose between 1 to 4 priorities. If something is urgent and needs to be done in the next few days, add that here, and then add deliverables. Deliverables are things that the team has to deliver, and it's important that these are not confused with tasks. A deliverable can involve multiple tasks, meetings, and actions. Then finally, think about 1, 2, or 3 months from now. Is there something this team member should start now so that they are in a good place when another project starts? Add here the things you think a team member should start looking into or should start getting ready to ensure they don't fall behind. Then invite your team to the meeting and ask them to read this before the meeting. This is important. They should not spend time during the meeting reading this. During the meeting, they will share with the team what they were not able to get done in the previous month, and if they have to move some of those deliverables to this month, then they will share what their priorities are and discuss with the manager any conflicting priorities, or if the manager forgot or missed anything on that list, and evaluate how to best organize those priorities. It is expected that the manager will be missing deliverables. The team shouldn't rely on the manager to know everything. This meeting is collaborative. To finalize, each team member will mention if they will need to collaborate with other team members, if they need help from another team member, or if they have any dependencies. Then the next team member does the same. All team members should actively listen during the meeting and stay engaged, as the work of what other team members are doing is a representation of what is happening in the organization. On a weekly basis, the team goes back to the board to mark deliverables as complete. Additionally, each team member will have their own Kanban board or list of tasks. Ideally, where all team members can access it and the manager can see as well, so if one person is sick or needs to go on holidays, certain tasks can easily be accessible by the team. Remember, this is the Priorities and Deliverables tool in Nova. You can easily prepare one a month